students, our new topic for biotechnology is principles and processes of biotechnology. Modern biotechnology is fully based on two techniques. See, we have already studied biotechnology. There are two phases. One is traditional biotechnology and another one is modern biotechnology. In modern biotechnology is fully based on two techniques. First one is called as genetic engineering and another one is called as chemical engineering. So let's see first genetic engineering. See, what is genetic engineering? Here genetic engineering, you can use another word also, rDNA technology, or you can use another word, that is gene cloning. Okay, these are the two types. Genetic engineering deals with alteration of genetic material. Means in genetic engineering, genetic material, that is DNA or RNA, can be altered. Manipulation is done in the genetic material. Some changes can be done in genetic material. Why these changes we can do? To get the desired characters, whatever character we need, that characters are called as desired character. So, and in a directed and predetermined way, using in vitro process, in directed, in predetermined way, when some changes or manipulation is done in genetic material or alteration is done in genetic material, that is nothing but genetic engineering. So in short, what you can keep in mind, in genetic engineering, the manipulation or alteration can be done in genetic material, that is in DNA and RNA. Okay, why this manipulation or alteration is done? In order to get the desired character. Desired character means the character which we want. That is called as genetic engineering, or that can be done in genetic engineering. Now see, engineering also involves repairing of defective genes. If there is any defective genes are there, if there are any defective genes, then it can be repaired by the process of genetic engineering or with the help of genetic engineering. Okay, then it replace the defective genes. If defective genes are there, either it can be repaired or can be replaced, okay, by healthy or by normal genes. Even artificially we can synthesize the genes. Required genes can be artificially synthesized and then it can be replaced or introduced. Transfer of gene to new location means genes can be transferred to new location or into the new organism. Manipulation of genes for improvement of living organisms. Genes can be manipulated, means everything can be done in genetic engineering. Combining of genes from two organisms, from two different organisms, we can isolate the gene, we can combine it and we can inoculate in third organism. This facility is provided by genetic engineering. Even altering the genotype, whole genotype means physical appearance, whole genotype can be altered, can be changed with the help of genetic engineering. Gene cloning means many copies of desired gene can be prepared and many more things can be done through genetic engineering. So what we can do in genetic engineering? Genetic engineering deals with the alteration of gene. Genetic engineering is dealing with the manipulation of genetic material, that is DNA and RNA can be altered, can be manipulated. Okay, why we can alter it? To get the desired character. Through genetic engineering we can repair the defective genes, we can replace the defective gene with the help of normal or healthy genes. With the help of genetic engineering we can prepare artificial genes. With the help of a desired gene, with the help of genetic engineering, we can transfer the gene into new location or into the new organism. We can manipulate or we can do improvement in the genes, and we can combine two different genes from different organisms and we can inoculate in third organism. We can alter whole genotype of an organism and we can make different or many copies of gene, desired gene. That everything can be done through genetic engineering. Okay, then chemical engineering. Modern biotechnology consists of two fields. First one is called as First one is called as genetic engineering and another one is called as chemical engineering. Genetic engineering, the name is only indicating in genetic engineering we can just manipulate or we can modify or we can change the genetic material. In chemical engineering deals with manufacturing. Manufacturing means production of variety of useful products. Here different useful products are manufactured. Different products means like vaccine, antibodies, enzymes, organic acid, vitamins, and many more things can be manufactured. So that field is called as chemical engineering. Okay, so two field I have taught you. Modern biotechnology consists of two field. One is genetic engineering, another one is chemical engineering. In genetic engineering, we have studied it deals with the alteration or manipulation of genetic material. Means here the genetic material can be manipulated or can be altered, while in chemical engineering production of useful products can be done. Useful products means like vaccine, antibodies, vitamins, etc. can be done. Then new topic we are going to study here, techniques of gene cloning. What is gene cloning exactly? In gene cloning, see, cloning, first of all, gene, you know, segment of DNA, that is called as gene. But what is the meaning of cloning? See what happens in cloning. Before proceeding towards cloning, I'll tell you the difference between offspring and clone. Offspring means, see, we people are offspring. We are offspring. Why I'm using the word we are offspring? Because we are not exactly similar to our parents. Our few characters are similar to our parents, but we are not exactly similar to our parents. So that's why we are offsprings. Now clone, what is the meaning of clone? When an organism is fully or exactly similar to the parent, then that organism is called as clone. Okay, when the daughter is or when the new organism formed is exactly similar to the parent, that is called as clone. Okay, now cloning means to make many copies of a gene, that is called as gene cloning. Okay, why we are using the word cloning only here? Because exact copies of gene are produced. So gene cloning is, suppose this is one gene, when many copies, exact copies of genes are produced, that is called as gene cloning. So in gene cloning, a gene of known function means the gene of desired type. Means suppose this gene is there, it is responsible for the production of insulin. Okay, that gene can be transferred to normal location or new organism or new cell via suitable vector. So through the suitable vector, then that is called as gene cloning. Okay, again I'm repeating, gene cloning means when the desired gene, suppose this gene is there, desired gene is there, this gene is transferred to an organism, in new organism through the vector. When this gene is transferred in the new organism, that gene is called as gene cloning. Then this transfer gene is replicated means many copies of this gene is produced, then it is called, and it is handed over to next progeny, then it is called as gene cloning. Again I'm repeating, what is gene cloning? Gene cloning is nothing but, it is the when we are preparing many copies of desired gene, when desired gene, many copies of desired genes are produced, then it is called as gene cloning. What exactly is happening here? In gene cloning, gene of known function means a particular segment of DNA is there, or one gene we are taken of known function means if that function of that gene we know. Suppose that gene is producing insulin, that gene is transferred into new organism. Okay, suppose one person is there, in its body its body do not have the gene which is responsible for the formation of insulin. Suppose diabetic person is there. Okay, suppose this person is there, he or he is suffering from, or she is suffering from diabetes. Means what? The insulin is not properly getting secreted. Okay, so what we can do, we can take one gene which is secreting insulin, that gene is can be inoculated into this new person, into that person who is suffering from diabetes. So in gene cloning, what we are doing, we are taking the gene of known function, you can say the gene which is responsible for the production of insulin, that is transferred into new location, means into that organism which is, or the human being which is suffering from diabetes, through suitable vector. Okay, that transfer gene then replicated, it is allowed to multiply in that body. Okay, and then it is handed over to next progeny, and in next progeny or in next cell, all the cells will have the gene which is secreting insulin. So this is nothing but gene cloning. In short, you can keep in mind, gene cloning means to prepare number of copies of this gene. What we are doing here, here the gene is taken of desired or known function. Okay, the required gene is taken, this gene is transferred into new organism through suitable vector. The transfer gene is then allowed to replicate, that is, and many copies of genes when formed, that is called as gene cloning. Then now we have to study polymerase chain reaction. See, in polymerase chain reaction, it is also called as PCR.